Good day everybody and welcome to the Phonus how-to. Today I'm going to show you how to install Valorant. First, open your browser, then go to Google, then type Valorant, go to the page, playvalorant.com, play free, click on this one, then make an account or sign in. I'm just going to sign in for a moment. When you're signed in, click it again, then download the game. It will probably go to your downloads menu, but mine is being downloaded by the FTM, free download manager. Install Valorant. Double click on it and click on yes. If you can't find the exe file, so the installation file, go to Explorer, go to downloads and we'll probably find it here. Double click on it and click on yes. Give administrative permissions. If you want to choose another location for Valorant, you can do this. But it's going to install Riot games, the application itself, to run Valorant. And you will also find League of Legends here, because it's part of the Riot team. I'm just going to click on install and let it run. This is going to take a moment, so leave it be. It will probably ask you for permissions, click on yes. It will probably do it again, but don't worry. Riot Games is perfectly safe. It's downloading in the background right now and you can log in at the same time. I'm just going to log in for a moment. If it asks to open Riot Client, just click on yes, because the application needs that permission. It's installing Valorant right now, right? You can probably see that right there. Yes, there you go. So it's downloading Valorant on my PC with the Riot Games client. Don't worry, Riot Games is the owner of Valorant and League of Legends. Let it install for a moment and we'll be right back when it's done. When it's done, you will probably see this. Click on it and play the game. But you first need to restart your computer. So I will be right back. After you've restarted your computer, you can click on Riot Client again to open the launcher. A tip, I made a mistake. Click on stay signed in because it's annoying to log in every single time. There you go. Click on Valorant, click on play and enjoy the game. One thing I want to add, you can probably get an error like this if you try to start up the game. It tells you that TPM needs to be enabled and secure boot. These are weird names, so let me explain. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. And secure boot is an important security feature designed to prevent malicious software from loading when your computer starts up. So, the TPM and the secure boot work together to make sure there are no viruses in the systems of Valorant. This is the reason why I need to enable it. I can't explain everything in this video, but let me give a short explanation. Open Windows, Start menu. Type System Information. Open the application. You will find this, and what you can do is in System Summary, you want to find your baseboard manufacturer and your baseboard product. The manufacturer is the maker of your motherboard, so the brand, and the product itself is the motherboard you own. So what you want to do, you want to go to your browser, you type the name of your motherboard, like I do with mine. First the name of the manufacturer, then the product name. Type it exactly the same, caps don't really matter, and click on it. After this you will find the page of the manufacturer itself. But what you want to type now is secure boot and TPM, or separately. Find a video where they explain with the manufacturer, so for me it's AshRock, how to enable the TPM secure boot on motherboards. It will probably explain it to you way better than I can in this short video. After you've enabled it, you will probably not find this error again and you can play Valorant safe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and comment if I missed anything. See you in the next one.